Hey there, I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about all things tech. Today I want to talk to you about a Mac OS shortcut that I recently stumbled on. Did you know that you can customize the toolbar at the top of any Finder window? I didn't until the other day. A colleague of mine was showing me how to do something on a Teams call, and he just used this casually, and I had to stop him in the middle of the call and say, whoa, wait, how did you do that? There are a bunch of different options for customizing the top of your toolbar, but here are the two that I like the most. First up is AirDrop. I use AirDrop a ton to share files with somebody on another computer, or to simply AirDrop a video from my computer that I finished editing to my phone so that I can post it on social media. How I've been doing that is to right-click on whatever file I want to share, and then select the share option, and then select the AirDrop option, and then select the person I want to AirDrop to. But by adding a shortcut to the top of my Finder window, I can save a few steps. So let's add the AirDrop shortcut to your toolbar. First, in the center of your Finder window at the top, right-click and select Customize Toolbar. From there, you'll see the AirDrop symbol that looks like this. Just click and drag that up to the toolbar wherever you'd like it to be. And then when you'd like to use AirDrop, just select the file or files you'd like to send to someone, and then click that AirDrop shortcut at the top of your Finder window. This saves a few steps and a few clicks and jumps straight to the place where you can select the person you want to AirDrop to. It's a simple thing, but it speeds up the process quite a bit. My second favorite way to use this is that you can add shortcuts to apps to the top of your toolbar as well. When I saw my friend Jim do this, I just assumed that it was somewhere inside of that same toolbar customization menu that we were in earlier, but it isn't. It's even easier than I thought. All you need to do is open up your application window and select the application that you'd like to add to the top of your toolbar. Then just click and drag it to the place on the toolbar where you'd like it to be. But the trick is that you need to hold in the command button while you do this. My favorite way to use this shortcut is if I wanted to edit some photos in Photoshop. I'd first select the two different photos that I wanted to open, and then I'd click and drag them to the Photoshop shortcut. This will open both of those photos in Photoshop. Nothing crazy here, but it saves a few steps and speeds up your workflow. Is this a macOS shortcut that you already knew? Let me know in the comments below. A shout out to my friend Jim for blowing my mind with this macOS shortcut. Thanks for watching. I'm BobbyInBlue. Follow for more on how to get the most out of your tech.